Circular supply chains. For the ones unfamiliar with this concept, a circular supply chain walks away from the traditional linear supply chain, in which we make something, use it, and then dispose it. In the circular supply chain, we keep resources in use as far as we can, as much as we can, to get the maximum value. Then we recover, regenerate products and materials at the end of each service life. This means that there is a new technical cycle which involves recovering and restoring products, components, and materials to reuse, repair, remanufacture, or as a last resource, to recycle. A logistical component here, of course, is that just as we plan the delivery of goods, we have to plan the collection of all goods at the end of their lifespan. Combining forward and reverse supply chains capabilities, in that way, we provide an approach for the planning of closed-loop supply chains, which is another name for circular supply chains.